Hey, welcome back to Man Kitchen Recipes. Tonight I'm going to show you how the super easy way to do boneless, skinless chicken breast on the Pit Boss pellet. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to wash and dry the chicken breasts, and then we're going to apply some olive oil. Next, we're going to add a little bit of salt on both sides, just a pinch. You don't need a lot. And now we're just going to add some garlic pepper. You know, if you watch my videos, I use it on everything. It's like my SPG, except there's no salt in it. So we're going to add garlic pepper to both sides. And then after that, put it on the grill. According to this, it's about 25 degrees out here, and the wind is blowing. So we got the smoker set at 350. Right now it's at 375, but we're going to go ahead and put them on. This is no slow smoke, so at 350, we're going to do about 25 minutes, maybe 30. Get the internal temp of these up to 165. And take them off. In that short period of time, they catch a little bit of smoke, but not a whole lot. But this is just the super easy way to do some boneless, skinless chicken with your pellet smoker. Let's get these on. Okay, we'll check back in about 25 minutes. Looking pretty good. Get a temperature on them. Okay, 5-10 more minutes, so a total of 35 minutes. 35 minutes.